Today I make dry beans. First step, I needed a pressure cooker, 2 tablespoons oil. After that, added onion with garlic. Little bit fry, 1 minute and 2 minute fry. Added tomato pure and little bit fry, and 1 teaspoon turmeric and 1 tablespoon cumin. After that, dry beans before washing. After that, put in all together, mix. Need salt and added water. After that water, put bubble. If you bubble, needed the cover. Put a cover for 14 minutes. Check sometimes needed water, needed tomato pure, needed salt. If you check finish, after all you check, after 13 minutes, finish.